Hi fans, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making our soya milk, our Vita milk. Join me through to the end of this video to see how I made soya milk and I added dates for sweetener. Keep watching to the end of this video. First and foremost, we'll be selecting off our beans from the sand and stones. These soya beans, we need to select it to make sure there are no sands and stones. The next thing we'll be going ahead is to soak. Please, while soaking, I soaked mine for overnight. So at this point, this is the next morning, I'm trying to wash out the bark from the beans. As you can see, the next thing I'll be doing after this is to separate the bark that I've washed out. Can you see? I'll keep washing until it's well clean and nice. But if you can't remove the whole back, no problem, because I will still be sieving off the shaft before cooking. At this point, I'm done rinsing. The next thing I'll be doing is to get my blenders ready to start blending. If you are new to this channel, thanks for stopping by. I'm glad you are here. To my old subscribers, you guys are always welcome. Thanks for always watching our video. Here is our soya milk. I added water, enough water to it. Even if you don't add enough water, it will blend very fine and smooth because it's very tender and soft that your blender, the blades of your blender, can do a very nice job. And here we are done blending. I'll be using my cheesecloth to extract the milk from the chaff. As you can see, I'm extracting the milk from the chaff, and that is what I'm doing. I made sure I pressed well to be able to extract the whole milk from the chaff. Please, if you have watched this video to this point and you have not subscribed to our channel, please try as much as you can to click on that subscription button. Turn on your notification bell to know when next we'll be uploading a new video. Like and comment. If you have anything you want to tell us, please drop it in the comment section and we'll be glad to respond. Here is the milk is already on the fire. I'll be going ahead to boil. Please, while boiling, make sure you are close by. Do you see the way it formed and get to the top of the pot? If I'm not close, it would have poured over and stained the whole place. So while cooking, make sure you are very close to avoid this kind of foaming giving you a mess in your kitchen. And this is it. While cooking and you notice this thing, you can stir it inside the milk or you can remove it. At this point, I'll be adding my date extracts, what I extracted out while I was making my date syrup. I'm adding it for taste and also for flavor at this point, so I'll be cooking both together. If you want to know how I made my date syrup, I'll be dropping the link on the description box, so you're going ahead to watch or to see the video after this. And please, while cooking and you notice the film is no longer much, you know you are done. At this point, I'll set it out and I'll allow it to cool down a little bit. I'll be adding in my date syrup to the milk now. Here is it. This is my date syrup. So if you want to know how I made this, please go to my description box and see the link. I'll drop it there. Here I'm trying to sieve out because of the extract I added in, the extracts from the date syrup I added in. I need to sieve again to make sure there are no shafts in this milk, that is just milk. And that is what you see me doing. I'm trying to extract the extract from the syrup and make sure the whole thing is clean. Now this is my cinnamon tea. I made this cinnamon tree. It's just, I boiled my cinnamon stick and that is what I'm using. I added it for flavor to this, and at this point we are done. The next thing I'll be doing is to bottle it and put in my refrigerator, or you can store in your freezer. And this is it for this. Please, if you have watched this video to this point and you've not subscribed, please try as much as you can to subscribe to our channel, like and comment. See you in my next one. Bye.